Yo, what's up, guys? Ever had that feeling where you can't stop thinking about someone? You miss talking to them, sharing things with them, maybe even hanging out. If you've ever felt that way, let me ask you something. Why exactly do you miss them? Is it because they're fun to talk to? They always make you laugh? They give great advice? You just enjoy their energy? And here's another question. When do you start missing them the most? When they don't text you all day? When they don't call at night? When they're too busy to hang out? See the pattern here? The truth is, people don't miss you just because you're always there. They miss you when you're not. And today, I'm going to teach you how to make any woman miss you like crazy, using simple psychological tricks that actually work. So if you're tired of chasing and want her to start craving your attention, listen up. Oh, and before we dive in, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss more game-changing dating advice. All right, let's go. Step number 1, give her something to miss, bro. This one's obvious. If you want someone to miss you, you need to have something worth missing. Think about it. Do you miss people who were boring, who added nothing to your life? Number, you only miss people who made an impact. So ask yourself, what makes me interesting? What do I bring to the table? Why would a woman want to think about me? The answer? Become someone unforgettable. Be fun to talk to. Have great conversations. Make her laugh. Be someone she enjoys spending time with. Because if you're just like every other guy, why would she miss you? Step number 2. Stay busy. Stay mysterious. One of the biggest mistakes guys make. They're too available. They're texting her 24/7, always ready to call, always checking in. Where's the mystery in that? If she always knows where you are and what you're doing, how is she supposed to miss you? So, here's the move. Get busy. Hit the gym. Focus on your career. Work on your hobbies. Hang out with your friends. Not only does this make you a more attractive and well-rounded person, but it also makes her wonder what you're up to. And curiosity? That's the foundation of attraction. Women want a guy who has his own life, not someone who's just waiting around for them. So if you've been giving her too much of your time, pull back a little. Let her feel what it's like when you're not always around. That's when she starts missing you. Step number 3. Give her space to miss you. Let me ask you, how can someone miss you if you never give them space to? If you're constantly texting, calling, and spending time together, where's the room for her to feel your absence? This is why a little distance is important. I'm not saying ghost her. I'm not saying ignore her. I'm saying let her breathe. Don't reply to her texts instantly. Don't always be the one making plans. Let there be moments of silence. Because guess what? Silence creates curiosity. If she's used to you always being there, and suddenly you're a little less available, she'll start wondering why. And that's when she starts thinking about you more. Step number 4. Use the to be continued trick. This one is straight up psychological, and it works like magic. Ever watched a TV show where right when things are getting exciting, it suddenly says, to be continued? You get annoyed, right? But what happens next? You can't wait for the next episode. Now, what if I told you this works in conversations too? Here's how you do it. Next time you're having an amazing convo with her, end it first. When things are getting fun and exciting, wrap it up. If you're on a call and things are going great, say you have to go and leave her wanting more. Why? Because people don't crave something that's always there. They crave things that feel unfinished. Do this right, and she'll be thinking about that conversation all day, waiting for the next time you talk. Step number 5. Trigger her dopamine levels. All right, let's get scientific for a second. Ever heard of dopamine? It's a brain chemical that makes people feel pleasure, excitement, and addiction. It's the same thing that makes people addicted to social media video games, their favorite songs, and guess what? You can trigger this in her. How? By giving her emotional highs and lows. For example, sometimes be super engaged, other times be a little distant. Sometimes compliment her, other times tease her a little. Sometimes be super affectionate, other times make her work for it. Why does this work? Because when something is too predictable, the brain gets bored. But when something is unpredictable, the brain gets addicted. So if you're always available and always predictable, she'll lose interest. But if you keep things dynamic and exciting, she'll crave your attention more than ever. All right, let's recap. Give her something to miss. Be interesting, be fun, be unique, stay busy, and stay mysterious. A high-value man has his own life. Give her space. Let her feel your absence. Use the "to be continued" trick. Always leave her wanting more. Trigger her dopamine. Keep things unpredictable and exciting. Attraction isn't about chasing. It's about creating an emotional experience that keeps her coming back for more. Now, I want to hear from you. What's the biggest mistake you've made when trying to make a woman miss you? Drop it in the comments. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more game-changing dating advice. Stay strong, stay confident, and I'll catch you in the next one.